Understanding set of drumsticks. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across if you're interested in music or specifically in playing drums. We'll dive into what set of drumsticks means, its usage, and some fun facts about it. So, let's get started and drum up some knowledge. A set of drumsticks refers to a pair of sticks used by drummers to play drums. These sticks are specially designed for striking the drum heads and cymbals to produce music. They come in various sizes, weights, and materials, depending on the drummer's preference and the style of music being played. When we say set, we usually mean two sticks, although the word set can often imply more items in other contexts. Drumsticks are more than just tools, they are an extension of the drummer's hands. They allow the drummer to express rhythm and dynamics through the drums. The right set of drumsticks can make a significant difference in the sound produced, affecting the overall quality of the music. Drummers often choose their sticks based on the genre of music they play, the feel and grip of the sticks, and their durability. There are several types of drumsticks, including wooden, nylon-tipped, and those made from other materials like carbon fiber. The most common woods used are hickory, maple, and oak. Each material offers a different sound and feel. For example, nylon-tipped sticks produce a brighter sound on cymbals, while wooden tips offer a warmer tone. Selecting the right set involves considering the music style, the drummer's playing technique, and personal preference. Taking good care of your drumsticks extends their life and ensures consistent performance. Storing them properly, avoiding using them on surfaces they're not meant for, and regularly checking for wear and tear are key practices. Some drummers also personalize their sticks with tape or grips for better handling and identification, making their set truly their own. We hope this exploration of set of drumsticks has been enlightening and adds another layer to your understanding of English phrases related to music. Remember, every instrument has its unique accessories and terms, and learning about them can be just as exciting as learning the instrument itself. Thanks for tuning in, and keep practicing your English with topics that interest you. Until next time, happy learning!